In this video, I'm showing you how to attach the tail feathers. So center them between the wings and about 5 rows up or rounds up. And I'm going to go around the post of this stitch and attach the accent color. This is going to be the bottom row of your tail feathers. And from there, I'm going to chain 7 times. Then I'm going to go into the next stitch around the post again, and I'm just going to attach it with a slip stitch. So that's 1 loop. And you're going to repeat this for a total of 7 loops. Once you have those 7 loops, you're going to cut and fasten off, leaving a fairly long tail just so that you can weave it in. And using my yarn needle, I'm going to go right next to where it's been fastened off through a stitch there, and I'm going to come out by the other tail left from when I attached the yarn to the body in the first place. And I'm just going to do a little double knot here, and then I'll weave in those ends. If the end is short, I'll kind of poke it in using my pointed scissors. And on this one, I'm just going to cut really close to the body. There will be another row like here. It's in the body color. I'm over 1 stitch than I did on the bottom, and that will have 9 loops.